We can include bloopers in here, right?
For sure.
Then they know my personality. The real one. Not the one that's like, you have periodontal disease.
So, as let me think of this.
Okay. Hi, my name is Allie, and I'm
No, you're doing great. Really.
Now I'm getting the warm.
Been in business.
Almost.
What? I'm feeling stressed. So I have to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, joy.
Slow down.
Can I watch it though?
When you're ready.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Courtney, and I'm a part of Dr. Jones' dental hygiene team. Now what do I say?
It is embarrassing when you drip on a patient.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating.
So y'all one in your belt. We'll do one more.
I lost it at the end.
That was the only take.
Okay.
Like I got on my car and you're going. I'm like, and then I thought, just get it over with.
Oh my gosh. Can you tell I'm sweaty?
Am I too close to the camera?
I can't see it went away.
Did it go away? Oh no!
Okay.
The next time you come in.
Oh no!
Oh, I messed
That
up.
was great.
I couldn't.
Your smile be you.
I can't.
Oh.
I can't see myself anywhere else. I actually have tried, but I can't. No. No.
Yeah.
Remember to smile. Oh
You're gonna do great. You got this.
Done.
Great job.
I'll see you later.